That's good. I haven't had soda in a long time, maybe like 12, 13 years, and that tastes like soda.
Oh, that is really delicious.
Oh, delicious, delicious.
That's really good. I love sparkling drinks, so this is nice and sparkly.
Wow, this is good. This is really good.
And for it to be actually good for you is well, I got something else to go in my daily routine. I like that. It's good.
Much better than a soda, I would say. It's mild, also like a little kick.
It's smooth. It has a tea flavor.
That is really good. I love that. That is really nice.
I love it.
I love it.